This is video 4 from the Fast Track Cache system. In this step number 4, you're going to learn how to generate traffic by setting up a targeted, optimized squidoo lens. In this video, we're going to talk about how to generate more traffic to your affiliate link. Obviously, the more traffic you can get, the more money you can make with whatever program you are promoting. For this example, we are using the Opt-in Profits course, but you would be promoting the Fast Track Cache series. So what you want to do here is at this point you should have set up your blogger.com blog. So again, you should have your blogger.com blog set up, and now we're going to go over to squidoo.com. That's squidoo.com. If you're brand new there, just choose sign up and go through the basic information, the basic steps to get signed up there. Otherwise, if you're brand new, you can just go back to squidoo.com and just simply choose login at the top right corner here. Choose login with your username and password, or your email and password. Now, since I'm doing this for multiple niche markets and accounts, sometimes it's good to have different, emails, and you could use Gmail for this example. So it'll take just a moment to log in here. Okay, now what you're going to do here is in just a few minutes we're actually going to be creating an entire squidoo lens. So what you want to do here is go to make a lens. So they have an option here, make a lens, or you could choose up here my lenses, and you could actually get started that way. And just choose this big blue button that says create a lens. This step's very easy. Now once you have an account set up, what's great about Squidoo is you can set up all sorts of different Squidoo lenses under one account. Now where it says my lens is about, this is where you put in the name of the product that you are promoting. Opt-in Profits Review. You could do like Fast Track Cache series, however you want to do that. So you could choose the name of the product again, and then the name of the product owner, and then hit continue. Now what you could do here is choose I want to get the word out about whatever this is you're promoting. Now hit continue. For the next step where it says lens title, this would be your main keyword phrase. You could choose, the name of the course and review at the end and the product creator, or you could choose, like something like this, you and Chia's Opt-in Profits Review. That's not bad either. However you want to do that, that way you get the name of the product creator and the name of the product in the lens title. That's very, very important. Now when you set your lens URL, you want your lens URL to basically be the name of the product you are promoting again, or the name of the product creator as well. So for example, we could have Opt-in Profits Review Yuan Chia. Then you could pick a category, so we'll just choose business for this one, G-rated, and then hit continue. And you want to put dashes between the links because that's going to make it look a little more search engine friendly. Now this will take just a moment here. Now where it says the best keyword, it's going to ask you if you want optional keywords. So you could choose, the name of the product, you could choose list building, you could choose, different things that relate to the product you are promoting. Like Fast Track Cache might be make money online, internet marketing, different topics like that. Now you want to type in this keyword phrase and then simply choose this big orange button that says build my lens. Build my lens. Now that step will take just a little bit here, and pretty soon we're going to be off and running to where we can start adding new content. Okay, you're going to be taken to a page that looks very similar to this. So what you want to do here is you want to come in and you want to edit this information. Now one thing we want to grab is we want to grab an image of the product graphic. So let's just go here to the name of the course, and we want to grab something, maybe like an image. Most products that you're promoting will have like an ebook cover, so something like this. So you want to grab that and choose view image, and then let's just right click and save image as to our computer. Just go save here, and let's just call this image the name of the product. Now hit save. That'll take just a moment to download here. Okay, now what you want to do is come right on over, and you want to go to why not add a title. You want to choose edit right next to that, and put in the name of the product again. And then for lens description, you could talk a little bit about what the lens is about. So you could say, inside you will discover all about opt-in profits and how it can help you generate more profits through the internet. Okay, so that's the lens description. I kind of just took some ideas from some of the content and just plugged that in there. Now where it says no image yet, just choose browse on your computer. As you recall, I just saved that image, and we're just going to upload that image. And choose upload photo. And that again will take just a few minutes. Okay, and then when you're done here, hit the orange save button. Orange save button. Okay, so now you see here you've got a nice image for the product. Now there's one other thing you could do inside of this little lens description is you want to come in here and you want to go over to Google this time, and we want to put in a hyperlink. So you want to go to Google, and to be able to put in a hyperlink you can just use some simple HTML code. So you want to go to Google and type in HTML link code, HTML link code, and you want to click on any of these results in Google, and they're going to give you the code to create a very simple HTML link. So to do that, just HTML link, same window, or you could just choose HTML link on any of the websites. You just want to copy that code. You want to come back over here, back to squidoo, and you want to choose edit up here at the top. Now where it says opt-in profits, you could actually highlight that text, and in replace of it, paste in this code. Now what you want to do inside this code is you want to come back over here, and you want to actually put in your link. So let's just grab this code right here, grab that link, come down here, and let's just paste it in here. Paste in that link, and then it says where it says get your HTML codes here, you could change that to what was there before, opt-in profits. Now another thing I like to do to make this stand out more is I like to put a caret to the left, the letter B, and a caret to the right, and then I go to the end of it and I do the caret to the left, a forward slash, which is right below the question mark key right next to the shift key on the right hand side of your keyboard. I put the letter B again, and then one of those carets to the right, which are found at the bottom right of the keyboard above the space bar and the Alt and Control keys. What that does, that's going to make the affiliate link actually stand out and be bold actually. So let's just come down here and choose save. Okay, now what you see here is boom, that's now clickable for the affiliate link, which is exactly what we want to have accomplished there. So now that you're done with the introduction, which should include your picture and kind of a sentence or two description of what's to follow, you want to actually come right over here down the right hand side, and you want to go to where it says reorder. So to do this, you want to drag and drop some things. So you want to come over here and you want to take the new text module and you want to just move it up. So new text module, you can move it up. Keep the RSS feed right there. Where it says new Amazon, Flickr, you can delete those. Guestbook you can keep, Delicious you can keep, and then Google Blog Search you can keep. So just hit apply, and you can actually pick and choose which ones you want to have and those kind of things as well. So this will take just a moment. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is where it says new text module. You want to select edit, new text module. you want to choose edit. So right here, this is where you're going to plug in. And then enter your text below, which your text is going to be not the post that you used with Blogger, but the other post. So that's why I'm going to use the other one. I used the second one for the blogger.com. All I'm doing here is just copying and pasting in this information. Now what you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have this this code down. So I'd recommend that you probably try to put it into at least your notepad file. So there's your HTML code, there's your affiliate link. Your affiliate link goes right where their link is between the quotation marks. And you want to put in, kind of like the name of the product. And then you could actually just highlight that and then just paste it in there. You could actually already have the bold keys already in there as well. You don't have to do the bold, it just helps it stand out more. So just copy that, come over here to squidoo, and wherever it says opt-in profits, you could plug in that information. So let's just paste that in. Now if you want to add anything, you could do that before the A character. And let's just come down over here, look for a few other ones that you could actually plug and play. So just paste over it. And then to learn more about, and then give a call to action at the end. Okay, so you see what I just did there, and now you can just hit save. So now what you have here is you've got your nice affiliate link in there, and if that doesn't look right, you can always click edit and just kind of make the lines flow correctly. So like we see here, that didn't display correctly, so let's just fix that and then hit save, and it looks like that fixed it. Okay, so that is now fixed. Now you've got inside that text module, you fix that. Now the next one, you want to go to the RSS, add your blog. So you just want to choose edit. You just want to choose edit for this example. And for this, what you want to do is come over here to blogger.com, and you want to make sure again that you've gone to blogger.com and selected post Atom, because you're going to be feeding in the RSS feed from your blogger.com site. So you want to just grab this, paste it in there by hitting Control C to copy, Control V to paste. And it might ask you want to include an excerpt. I would typically include yes, include an excerpt. And then how frequently, you could make it go weekly. And you could choose to yes, display HTML, and then simply hit save. So that will take just a moment for it to pick it up. Notice that picks up the link. There's a nice backlink to that direct post on your blog. And then right inside there, there's another affiliate link. You want to have as many of these links as possible so people can access your product. Now you could also, instead of it saying new RSS, you could change that title by saying, opt-in profits RSS feed. The main thing here is you want to make this page as relevant as possible. Okay, so now that you've got that far down, you should be where it says new YouTube video. So you just want to choose edit. And then you can choose let me pick. And then I recommend you go right on over to YouTube and you look for a video right now, just for right now, that's going to relate to what you have to offer. Now later on, we're going to actually be creating a video and actually integrating that right into Squidoo. But for now, let's just go to YouTube and find a video that's about the product we're promoting. So let's say list building, for example. And then you could also take a video, let's say, like if it's a video about, the course that you're promoting or something else, you could actually just embed, like Fast Track Cash. You could find a video about making fast money online. Just choose show full size video, paste in those details, and select save. Again, select save. Now where it says new guest book, this is your chance to edit this information. So just choose edit, and this is where you're going to come down here and just modify this if you want. Who do you want commenting? Anyone. You could choose only logged in squidoo members. That's a good thing to do sometimes. Make sure that's checked to ask you first. And then how many blurbs do you want to show up? Then you could choose to strip all HTML out of the blurbs and then simply hit save. The reason you do this in here is to help prevent spam on your site, but also because as you edit it, it's going to look to Squidoo like you've actually made a change, which will help ensure that you get your blog posted because they want to have lots of content. Now where it says new delicious bookmarks, what you want to do here is do show popular bookmarks by tags. So I would choose money, for example, or internet marketing. And then choose save. And then come down to where it says new blog search and choose edit. This is where you're going to put in your main search term. So for example, let's just plug in, internet marketing. And you could choose blogs. You could choose any topic related to what you have going on. And choose headline only, or you could choose headline and abstract and then hit save. And then the final thing that you want to do is come right up here down the right hand side, and where it says add modules, you just want to choose browse all modules. And for this one you want to choose most popular, and you want to select the link list, and hit that little green icon, and then choose done adding. Now where it says link list, you want to come all the way down here, choose edit, and this is where you're going to put in your affiliate link one more time. And again, this just adds more content to your Squidoo lens. And then let's just call this opt-in profits. Okay, so I'm just putting in a description here, and you must have a description here. And then hit save. Now you could also go up here and edit and add another link, and you could actually add in your blogger link as well if you wanted to really make sure that you get indexed. That will help that blogger site also come up higher in the search engines. So you could actually just copy and paste that link in here. And then say learn more about the opt-in. Okay, and then simply choose save. Now what you've done here is you've now created a Squidoo lens with more links to your other site to help build up that in the search engines and to get it indexed, plus more links to your affiliate links. You've included some relevant content so search engines will like this page more. And now when you're done with everything, just hit this big orange publish button. So it says congratulations, you published your first lens. Now what I would recommend you do is you choose view this lens just to make sure everything looks okay. And just hit refresh. Oftentimes after you first publish the lens, it will tell you that it's still under construction. So you could actually go back to your website here to your dashboard, and that'll take just a minute.